ଏବେ taking the example of and find the values of xy, find the values of xy by the help of Cramer's rules, by the help of Cramer's rule. बुझेला कि नहीं? फर्स्ट स्टेप हम कौन करिबा एटा कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यू को मैट्रिक्स वे लिखिबा बुझेला. Then you can find the determinant value of this coefficients matrix. Then the first step and second step and third step कौन होगा दरकार हमरो ना del x फाइंड आउट करबा del y फाइंड आउट करबा. यदि 3/3 ऑर्डर था del x del y del z, यदि 2/2 ऑर्डर था del x and del y, तो जब ना del x del y del z को फाइंड आउट करबा बुझला. Then first step में कौन करबा ना values of x y z को फाइंड आउट करबा. And how to find the values of x y and z? X equal to del x by del, y equal to del y by del, and z equal to del z by del. And these values of del must be not equal to 0, must be not equal to 0. बुझला कौन करेगा the coefficient of linear equation को हम लिखबा को बाकी वो सिस्टम ऑफ linear equation को हमें मैट्रिक्स में लिखना coefficient हेल्प कर. then find out करबा del by determinant value of the coefficient matrix. then you can find out the del x del y del z, then x y z, x equal to del x by del, y equal to del y by del, and z equal to del z by del. This is the process of Cramer's rules. Now the system of linear equation is given is 2/2 order, like 2x plus 3y equal to 8, 3x plus y equal to 5. We can solve and find the values of x, y by the help of Cramer's rules. By the help of Cramer's rules. So that first of all, कौन लिखा जीवा करो ना coefficient of x by 2 we can write down in matrix y, matrix A, matrix of A, like as 2 3 3 1. 2 3 3 1. This is the right hand side values 8 and 5, and variable is x y. First of all, you can find the determinant values of coefficient matrix, determinant values of coefficient matrix, so that the del equal to 2 3 3 1, 2 3 3 1, that is 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 3, that is 9. So the determinant value is minus 7. This is not equal to 0. Minus 7 always not equal to 0. So the determinant that del equal to minus 7. Now we find out करेंगे step 2 find कौन determinant value find out करेंगे. Next कौन करेगा del x del y del z, but it is कौन x y, so that we can find the values of del x and del y. This is the process of find the values of x and y of order 2/2, 2/2 order, 2/2 system of linear equations, so that del equal to minus 7. Now we can find del x. del x कौन कहते del x होची हमें coefficient of x रे. अच्छा coefficient of x केमते लिखा जाय देखो ना coefficient of x कौन होची 2 3 and coefficient of y is 3 1 मंडोला. This is the coefficient of x and this is the coefficient of y. हमें फाइंड आउट करिया कौन del x. del x means in the place the coefficient of x रे हम कौन लिखिबा right hand side में, that is 8 5 बुझला. coefficient of x रे कौन लिखा जीवो the right hand side of a system of linear equation of value and 8 5, and y the coefficient of y written in same, like as 3 1 बुझला. del x कौन करिबा ना coefficient of x रे हम लिखिबा right hand side से value, that is 8 5 बुझला. So that now we can find that del x is 8 into 1, 8 minus 15, that is minus 7. Minus 7. बुझला? This is the value of del x. Now we can find the del y. स्लो कहूँ देखो बोलते del y. Del y माने कौन करिबा? ना x रा कोएफिशिएंट को जहाँ अच्छी से लिखिबा. Only we have to find the only we can change the values of the coefficient values of y. देखो coefficient of x के अच्छी हमारे 2 3 लिखा जो कहते हैं ना 2 3 and coefficient of y रे हम चेंजेस करिबा पूरा चेंज करिबा तो लिखिबा राइट हैंड साइड रो वैल्यू दैट इज 8 5 बुझला. then 2 into 5 then minus 20, 8 into 3 that is 24, that is minus 14. बुझला? now we can find the del x values and del y values. then we can now solve the values of x equal to del x bar del, that is what is the values of del x? Del x is minus 7 by del, what is the values of del? That is also minus 7, so that minus 7 by minus 7 that is 1. बुझला? find the values of y. Y means del y bar del y bar del. what is the values of del y? minus 14. and what is the values of del? That is minus 7. अच्छी क्या है? minus 7, so that minus 14 by minus 7 that is 2. That is 2. बुझला? अच्छा x और वैल्यू कितने ताले? values of x is 1 and the values of y is 2. एबे देखिबा how to check करिबा जो x equal to 1 ठीक अछि, x y equal to 2 अछि, right अछि हमर. we can using this values in equation this. देखो अछि कोन ना 2x plus 3y equal to 8. and what is the values of x? or the values of x is 1, so that 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, that is 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 6, so that 8. left hand side equal to right hand side, so the our values is correct. बुझला? देखो आउ थरे कोन पूछि हमर सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन कोन गिवन अछि that 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and 3x plus y equal to 5. First of all, our condition is we can write down the coefficients of variable in matrix way. Matrix way हमें coefficient value लिखिबा को वे रे ना matrix way रे. so that it is 2 3. values of the coefficient of x is 2 3. write down 2 3 in column wise. the coefficient of y is 3 1 3 1. बुझला? then we can find out the what is the values of coefficient matrix or del. coefficient matrix can find out करिबा ना determinant of coefficient matrix, that is 2 3 and 3 1, and we can simply solve the determinant way like this. 2 into principal diagonal elements का multiplication minus of diagonal elements का multiplication, so that 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 3 that is 9 minus 9. so the values of del or coefficient matrix is minus 7, and minus 7 is must be not equal to 0. बुझला? then we can find the values of del x and del y. and how we can find the del x and del y? due to we can solve the and find the values of x y. this rule is del x by del and del y by del. since we can find the del x and del y, the process to find the del x and del y in the place of del x means in the place of coefficient of x variable, you can write down the right hand sides of equations values, that is 8 and 5. हम कौन करिबा ना coefficient of x जगह रे coefficient of x के थिला हमर 2 3 जगह केते लिखा जिवो right hand sides रे वैल्यू अछि केते 8 5 और जहां छी y रे coefficient सेम लिखा जिवो, that is 3 1. so that now we can find the value del determinant of del x, so that 8 into 1 8 minus 5 into 3 minus 15, so that minus 7. secondly we can find the del y 2 into 2 3 the coefficient of x. we can find that del y means हम कौन करबा del y रा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करबा. del y रा वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करबा और माने होची द कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यू कार y जगह रे हम लिखबा केते राइट हैंड साइड रो अछि केते राइट हैंड साइड अब इक्वेशन केते अछि 8 5 देखा जो केते 8 5 so that now we can find the determinant values of del y, that is 2 into 5 10 3 into 8 24, that is minus 14. Then we can solve the x and y, that is del x by del, that is minus 7 by minus 7, that is 1, and y del y by del, that is minus 14 by minus 7, that is 2. So that the values of x and y is 1 2. Bujhala. This is the process to find the system of linear equations of two variables x y. Similarly, we can find the system of three linear variables. That is, next. Two x plus 3y minus z. Example: 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9. And second is x plus 2y plus z. X plus 2y plus z equal to 4. And third is 5x minus y. 5x minus y plus z equal to 2z equal to 1. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9, and x plus 2y plus z equal to 4, and 5x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. This is the equations by linear equations of three variables, and these variables are known as x, y, z. First of all, we can write down the coefficient of x, y, z in the process of matrix like this. Del is equal to coefficient of matrix. The coefficient matrix written in, first of all, the coefficient of x ki achi 2 1 5 2 1 5 bujhala. Second coefficient of y is 3 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 1. And coefficient of z is minus 1 1 and 2 minus 1 1 2. First step रे कौन करबा हमें coefficient values of x y z का matrix way रे लिखबा. Then we can find out the determinant value of the coefficient matrix del, determinant of del, that is 2 into solve करबा determinant value 2 into deleting the first one and first column, that element is 2 1 minus 1 2. Similarly minus 3 1 1, deleting the first one second column, so 1 1 5 2. Last is minus 1 into delete the first one and third column 1 2 5 minus 1. And must be del, the determinant coefficient values of determinants not equal to 0. So that 2 into 4 minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 3 into 1 into 2 minus 5 plus means minus also 2 so minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 5 into 2 minus 10. Sir, 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 11. So that this is 10 minus or minus plus 9 minus or minus plus 11. That is 30. And delta value is 30. That is not equal to 0. The determinant of coefficient matrix is 30, and that is not equal to 0. Then we can find out the del x del y and del z भल से देखा जाउछि कि नहीं चल देखा तो del x कौन कहली द प्रोसेस ऑफ टू फाइंड द del x कौन करा जिवो ना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रे अच्छा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x की अछि 2 1 5 रे रहइबो केते ना राइट हैंड साइड्स ऑफ द लिनियर इक्वेशन दैट इज 9 4 1 on the 9 4 1 लिखे जो कौन 9 4 1 कहा जाएगा ना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रे and the rest coefficient of x y and z are written in cell that is 3 2 minus 1 and minus 1 2 and we can find out the del x. Now how to find del x? Sir, expanding along the first row करो 9 into relating करो कितना हो जाएगा 2 1 minus 1 2 similarly minus 3 deleting the first row and second column that is 4 1 1 2 and minus 1 is 4 2 1 minus 1 बुझेला कौन करा जीवो ना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रे लिखा जो कहते हैं ना राइट हैंड साइड रा वैल्यू दैट इज 9 4 1 9 4 1 and the coefficient of y and coefficient of z are written in cell 3 2 minus 1 1 2 now find the del x. Del x is expanding along the first row column so the 9 into the rest element is 2 1 minus 1 2 and minus 3 is 4 1 4 1 1 2 minus 1 4 2 1 minus 1 that is 9 into 4 plus 1 minus 3 into 8 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 now 9 into 5 minus 3 into 7 minus 1 into minus 6 that is 45 minus 21 minus 4 minus 6 that is 51 21 30 del x is 30 बुझला similarly you can find out the del y del y means the coefficient of y रे देखिए कौन राइट हैंड साइड रो coefficient of x and coefficient of z is written in cell like is 2 1 5 2 1 5 this is the coefficient of x हमें चेंज करबा कोन ना coefficient of y रो वैल्यू चेंज करबा केते लिखिबा ना राइट हैंड साइड रो वैल्यू केते होची ना 9 4 1 9 4 1 and coefficient of z is minus 1 1 2 अच्छा ये डायरेक्ट लिखे दो जेटी 30 लिखे दो वैल्यू इज 30 मुझे स्पेस में हम पकड़े and also here we can expanding along the first row that is 2 into deleting the first row first column that is 4 1 1 2 minus 9 into 1 1 5 minus 1 into 1 1 5 2 1 4 5 1 1 4 5 now if we solve this is 2 into 8 minus 1 minus 9 into 2 minus 5 minus 1 into 1 minus 20 that is 2 into 7 2 into 7 minus 9 into minus 3 minus 19 so that del y is now our del y is 60 40 minus 27 plus 19, that is 60. That is 60 is our del y. 60. Then you can solve the del z. Del z means del z. देखो डाइट लिखुची किती पहिले ना 60 तो खातारे करिवो 60. Then del z is coefficient of x y are written in same. That is 2 1 5 2 1 5 3 2 1 3 2 minus 1, and the coefficient of z is written in 9 4 1 9 4 1. Now similarly you can find the determinate value of del z expanding along the first row, that is 2 into first row and first column को relating करिबा पाइबा केते 2 4 minus 1 1. अच्छा minus 3 into 3 कौन करिबा expanding कर 1 4 5 1 and minus plus 9 into first row third column को relating कर पाइबा केते 1 2 5 5 1. Also you can find the values of this value is 30. So that our del x is 30, del y is 60, and del z is 30. Now we can solve the values of x, y, z. Values of x, y, z. This is 30. Now x equal to del x by del and y equal to del y by del and z equal to del z by del. अच्छा del x केते अछि हमरो 30. We have to find the del x is 30 but del is our also 30. That is 1. X is 1. Similarly, y is equal to del y by del. What is the value of del y? Del y by 60 by del. That is 30. That is 2. And del z is 30 by also 30. Also 1. So that the values of x, y, z. The values of x, y, z is 1 to 1. This is the process to find out the or solve the system of linear equation by Cramer's rules. So that the step is Cramer's rule is step 1. The first we have to check step 1 coefficient of variable लिखा को the matrix way. Then find the determinate values of this coefficient. Then step 2 कौन करेगा? Del not equal to must be not equal to 0. Then step 2 पे कौन करेगा? ना del x फाइंड आउट करेगा, del y del x फाइंड आउट करेगा, del y and del z फाइंड आउट करेगा, del x del y del z फाइंड आउट करेगा. Then step 3 रे हम करेगा अच्छा del x del y del z केमती फाइंड आउट करेगा? ना del x माने होची x वेरिएबल जगह रे त कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x जार केते लेखा जीवो त राइट हैंड साइड रे अगर del y केमती फाइंड आउट करिबा ना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y जगह केते लेखा जीवो कोन लेखा जीवो ना राइट हैंड साइड रे 9 सिमिलरली del z जगह केमती लेखा जीवो ना कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z जगह केते लेखा जीवो राइट हैंड साइड रे सो दैट del x del y del z फाइंड आउट करिबा. देन स्टेप 3 x इक्वल टू del x by del and y equal to del y by del and z equal to z bar z. This is the process to find the values of x, y, z. Then we have to study the consistency, inconsistency of the Cramer's rule. What is the consistency and inconsistency?